Timebolt is a software that cuts out all the dead sound and adds jump cuts to your timeline. This isn't inherently a video editing software, more so a tool that is used to drastically speed up the editing process. And honestly, ever since I've had this, I felt like I had a complete competitive edge over everyone else. And the thing is, no one really knows about it. Alright, so first you want to begin by choosing the footage you want. For today, I'm just going to choose a random finance and corporate Zoom meeting because, as advertised, this software is primarily for those who edit one very large file rather than a bunch of different files. So people with podcasts, Twitch streams, and also Zoom meetings. Obviously, this is generally good for everyone, but specifically, those type of people would benefit most out of this. So right here, once I loaded in the whole meeting, you can see it automatically cuts out all the dead sound without even doing anything. Right down here, you have silence detection options. And here you could remove silences longer than, ignore detections shorter than, left padding and right padding. And then down here, you have the option to fast forward silences and apply transitions. I'm just going to untick that from now. And then also you have an option to select looping background music. So you could just select an audio file, pick one, and that's it. And then once you're done, here's the best part, is that this isn't one file. Right here, this isn't just one file. You could make this a timeline file or an XML file. So first you want to do is you want to click export as XML, and then that's it. Then you want to click here and you should have an XML file. Now with Premiere open, what you want to do now is you want to click on the program, click on the file location, drag the file to a folder, and then click on the sequence. And then right here, it automatically shows you every single thing in here. And what's cool is that you're not restricted completely. If you want to include some silences, you can. All you have to do is zoom in on the timeline and then simply add the silences back if you'd like. And if you don't have Premiere Pro, this is also compatible with practically every useful editing software such as Vegas Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Camtasia, I'm not sure what that is, but if you click on the icons, it shows you exactly how to export the XML files to the program. So if you do not use Premiere Pro, don't worry, just go to their website, click on one of the icons, and follow the instructions. Now I do have to mention that this isn't free. Well, it is free, but yeah, video only, no saving, watermark, and no XML export. Basically, the only way you could actually get the full potential of it is to pay money for it. And honestly, it's not even that bad. Right here it shows $17 a month, and $97 a year, and $247 for a lifetime license. And also, there's something called a coupon code. A coupon code would give you 20% off, and I don't really have one to give you. But I don't really want you guys paying full price for something you could save money on. But I'll probably just help other YouTubers out by just posting theirs on the description. So if you guys want 20% off, just go in the description of the video and just pick a coupon code you want. Yeah. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching, and take care.